Welcome to bAwear Score, your digital companion for fast, credible, and actionable environmental impact assessments for textile products. Whether you're new to sustainability or already tracking your footprint, bAwear Score helps you move from data to action with intuitive tools tailored for textile and the apparel industry. Let's walk through how it works step by step. Start by creating your profile. Once logged in, you land on your personal dashboard. Click bAwear Quick Score to begin your first calculation. Add a product description, assign a GTIN number, and input the product's weight. Since results are calculated per kilogram, don't worry if you don't know the product weight yet. Each step comes with helpful guidance. Just click the question mark icons for quick tips. We provide ready-to-use product scenarios for categories from fashion, workwear to home textiles. Ideal if you're starting or missing primary data. For instance, let's calculate the environmental impact of a woman's t-shirt using our predefined product scenario, which you can later refine with your own primary data. bAwear Quick Score covers every step of the textile supply chain, from product composition, yarn production, fabric production, product manufacturing, production locations, distribution, and also the cradle to grave supply chain steps, which are the use phase and end of life considerations. You start with specifying the material composition. With over 50 options to choose from and more on the way, select up to 5 fibers used in your product. If cotton is sourced from multiple locations, multiple entries need to be added. Now, on to the next entry field, that is yarn selection. Specify the yarn numbers and percentages. Our tool can automatically recalculate NE values to NM. You can add up to 5 different yarns used in the textile product. Step 4 brings us to fabric construction. Choose your fabric type and indicate the finishing and coloring methods. We are halfway there. The next step is the cutting waste. Tell us how much waste is generated from the manufacturing process of this product. Plus, what is done to this cutting waste? Is it recycled, landfilled, or incinerated? Also indicate the 2 product finish treatments. Once that is done, select the amount of renewable energy, that is either solar, hydro, or wind for spinning, weaving, knitting, finishing, and manufacturing. Almost there. Specify the locations of each process. Where did spinning, weaving, knitting, finishing, manufacturing take place, and the distribution? And speaking of distribution, the distance relates to the distance from the factory where the product is finished to the warehouse in the country where the product is sold. But wait, there's more. Want to explore cradle to grave calculations? You can delve into the use phase and end of life scenarios. If not, you can choose to skip. This brings us to a page which shows the overview of your product. A quick check here. You can quickly check your input and hit Start to calculate. You can imagine it can be quite tedious to fill in data like this manually for hundreds and thousands of textile products. That's where our bulk upload feature swoops in to save the day. With just a click, download the template and effortlessly fill in the details. Our platform streamlines the data input process, saving you time and resources. The bulk upload template follows the same order as the bAwear Quick Score portal. Make sure to add the product ID for the tool to recognize the input that you make in the row ahead. You can pick from different product scenarios to different fiber types. And missing data? No worries, just leave the entry field blank. The tool can autofill missing fields with worst-case secondary data, ensuring a full impact result. With the bAwear bulk upload template, comparing products or even comparing different material options for the same product becomes quick. Simply copy the row of your existing product and paste it below. Here you will be comparing conventional cotton versus recycled cotton. This feature simply helps you test alternatives and make informed decisions. Benchmarking in the textile industry is not straightforward, especially when it comes to individual products. The textile industry offers a wide range of products, making it complex to benchmark. Together with our partner TextRacer, we conducted a benchmarking project focused on a basic white t-shirt. The aim was to help companies understand how their white t-shirt compares to those of the 11 other participating companies. As shown in the results, the carbon footprint can range from 6.5 kg CO2 to 12 kg CO2. Thanks to our clear and easy to understand reporting, it's simple to identify the factors driving this variation. Key contributors to a lower environmental impact include the use of renewable energy, recycled fibers, switching to organic cotton as a substitute for cotton, a lower yarn count, implementing water efficient practices in fiber cultivation and in the processing itself of the t-shirt to reduce the water footprint. And if sources are known, the use of rain-fed cotton can drastically bring down the environmental impact. Not to forget the mode of transportation. Once your data is in, each product generates an environmental impact report detailing hotspots in your value chain and life cycle breakdown for each supply chain step. You'll see 4 key environmental impact indicators reported: carbon footprint, fossil energy use, water use, and land use. Results are presented per kilogram of textile product using the Recipe 2016 midpoint methodology for consistency and reliability. You can download the report as a PDF, export it as an Excel, or request a custom Power BI report for advanced visualization and storytelling. These insights can be used to inform sourcing decisions, engage suppliers, and shape sustainability strategies. When you need support, explore bAcademy, your knowledge hub with how-to videos, textile-specific training slides, understand key terminologies and definitions, and also impact reduction strategies. This ensures everyone can not only measure impact, but also understand on how to act on it. With bAwear Score, sustainability isn't a burden, it's an opportunity. From input to insights, from benchmarks to reduction strategies, everything you need is at your fingertips. When you have questions, we are here to help. Please reach out to us at support@bAwear.eu. Let's make smarter decisions, one calculation at a time.